Another adjustment you can make to text will involve case. For example, paragraphs with sentences, and you can put them in sentence case where the first word is capitalized. Sometimes you want everything to be lowercase, in other words, no capitals. In other occasions, you want all capitals, known as uppercase. Let's begin with our title at the top. We'll move into the left margin and click 1 to select the first line. Essential Veggies Recipes. Alright, from here you'll notice that it'll pop up with formatting options, but there's nothing dealing with case here. We need to go to our ribbon where we see an extra button, and if you click the drop down you can change case to a number of different choices. Right now we're using something where we see pretty much every word is capitalized, except for the 2 words at the end of this line. If we hover over capitalize each word and click, you'll notice that for and the are now capitalized as well, and it kind of matches. Now let's select both lines. We'll click and drag from the first line down to the second, while in the left hand margin, and go back to the change case drop down. This time let's choose a lowercase. Well, you can see what happens there. First of all, we're seeing some autocorrect things going on, indicating we have some issues in the document, and it really doesn't look right. It doesn't look formal. Let's go back to the drop down with our content still selected and choose uppercase. That might be more appropriate. That will actually work for a title. Also, from the drop down you'll notice capitalize each word, so we can go back to that if we prefer that option. I'm going to go with uppercase. Alright, let's scroll down a little bit further now into our second page. Dear customer, where it says, thanks again for your patronage. This happens quite often where you forget that you have the caps lock key on. We'll just leave a couple of spaces and turn your caps key lock on. Type in. We really appreciate it, just as you would as you're typing a sentence. So Shift W and you'll notice something happens. It'll actually correct it for you. It's an autocorrect option that recognizes you've accidentally turned the caps lock key on. So although the caps lock key is on, if you look at your keyboard, it's fixed it for you. But on those occasions where it's not, we have the ability to drop down for change case and toggle, which will change everything around for you. So that's just a quick look at how we change case for our documents here in Word 2013.